Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini long ki khubor bam ta kasngi. Ka sarkar jala kadang khangi ki kali he banyat lingba na Jingkieng Umiam on sha tang ki kali rin wala da katnat PWD bar ka MEECL kan pli la lai photrik unai tung yathu menteri katnat pinmi boarding ka sarkar jala UAT mandal. Umenteri yathu baka sarkar ka shimrai ban sha tangi kali rin on sha banyat hadin ka jingyalang joka high powered committee HPC bala panyat do sembut menteri rang ba ka jala bakmi ya katnat PWD roads ba prestun tan song ka balong ne ka singin kong. Ya ka Jingkieng dam site baru shikata na Jingkieng Umiam da ka ba wengno ya ka jingpenyat kali ba shiliang. Haba pinbina ya kani umenteri katnat boarding eti mondal loong ba ya kani ka Jingkieng on saplino bat ya ki kali na do la shai ka singi baar. Henry loong pat tangki kali ki bakhya palan ya ka 100 metric ton ondang beteng ban khang ha ka ban ya na kani ka Jingkieng. Loong ban pentri kam ya kani ka jingpin king katnat PWD kan sabu ya ki jingker ban khang ki kali he baknian. Kani ka jingtei penklan bat maramot ya ka dam bar ka Jingkieng bakot ka jingnut hadu khat khandai klor tingka kelandang penjalan ya ka karta jong kani ka Jingkieng sakumba arphos nem ong umandal. Ula pentip baka sarkar kala shimi karai ban pleno hadin ka jingmenjur na ka IIT Guwahati ka ba pentikna ba ka Jingkieng kala shingan ka ban pleno. Hai ka ju kapor umandal ula pentip baka sarkar kala penkhamti hai ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL bakan wat bat pen itu ya ki weipat kilinti ya ban kiaria ka Jingkieng. Ula penshai ru bahagani ka jingpen bet bamenta ka jingkhangi ki bos kamai bakanya nalor gane ka Jingkieng kanang yai beteng ben uong baki bos kamai minmiet kin hap ban yang haswa ban poi ka Jingkieng bat ab iki briu ki bawan na shiliang ka Jingkieng.
The High Power Committee for the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinshong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways. And this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be a further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned.
So the restriction is used in
True speed, letter and speed. Yes, that's why I told
because,
that.
you know, when police arrest somebody, keep money, then they allow. So how do you know? Do you have any idea like installing the CCTV, something like that?
This is the allegation, and we are seized with these allegations also that we are not turning away. There may be chances of that also, and that's why today we have decided that a permanent barrier will be put so that it will be automatically restricted. PWD has been entrusted to find out ways and means to put permanent barricade so that the heavy vehicles cannot enter the bridge, because bridge and more of that, our dam is the most important thing as of now to safeguard its safety. That is the thing. And second thing is that we have already installed CCTV cameras.
So you'll be
Full protection.
you'll be going on a war footing for a new alternative bridge, because now it is useless now. It appears.
Yeah, whatever you say, government is decided that a alternative route bypassing this bridge will be in place as early as possible, but it is not an easy work. Number one, we got to find out the alignment, negotiate the contours, and also see that how land position is there. But department PWD is on the job. Only this has
No alternate route discussed.
no alternate ground. Yes, it was discussed, and National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has been entrusted to find an alternative route, and they are working on it. Also, just now before the meeting I have traveled from Fulbari, and I came through this road only. I have seen, that's why I requested that why not immediately, at least the people who will go for official work, who will go for treatment, who will go to catch the flight from Guwahati, many other reasons are there. Let them get some relief immediately. Otherwise, we would go for those barriers and then would allow to go the vehicles. But because seeing the pain of the commuters, we are allowing them to go.
So what
Yeah.
was the other agenda of the meeting, sir?
These night super buses, despite having an ISBT here, they are forced to operate from Umiam because of this restriction. So what is the point, sir?
No, see, this restriction got to go for the greater interest of the bridge and also the dam. Because night supers also carry a lot of weights. Nowadays, we don't see that night supers are carrying weight on top of the vehicle, but they are having an under deck where they used to carry heavy loads also. And as our consultant who is telling that the total load can be given at any point of time, that one, what he mentioned. So accordingly, we have gone. So after erecting of all barriers and all these things, we will come with some relaxation, but it is as per today's decision that heavy vehicles will be not allowed over the bridge.
But then the bridge is weak, that means.
Bridge is weak, that's why.
You have pumped in a lot of money and then.
Brother, you are coming back again, bridge.
Yeah, because people are.
We have pumped major money in the dam. Not. I was telling you earlier also, today also I want to tell you that this entire work is having two components. One component is the dam and the other component is the bridge above the spillway. As the traffic is concerned on the bridge and dam, the portion where the retrofitting work for the bridge is required, it is completed. And further retrofitting may require, that we will decide later on if it requires at all. But for the present scope of work, it has been completed. As per dam is there, almost all the works on the top surface is completed. But still we need to go for grotting in the gallery portion, and that will not hamper the movement of traffic. And also little work is left for the repairing of the cracks in the upstream space of the bridge, and small minor works are there. This will not hamper as per movement of traffic is concerned.
So could you,
The entire cost as of now, it is around 19.9 crore for Umiam Dam only.
Sir, can we conclude now that the dam and the bridge is safe?
See, the question is that safe on what basis?
Like for movement of vehicles and
That's
even
why
for the reservoir?
that's why we are restricting for light motor vehicles only. It is not safe to allow heavy vehicles to move on the dam and the bridge.
so the life of the bridge has increased as
Yeah, with this load restriction, life has increased. But if we allow heavy vehicles, then there may be further deterioration of the bridge and also dam may happen. That will lead to the further seepage of the dam, and also there may be further crack in the bridge.
so how will you ensure that these heavy vehicles don't lie in the
Yes, we have discussed on that, and earlier also we put barrier, but somehow or other the restriction, though we contained, but as per some allegations that heavier vehicle also passes the bridge. That's why we have decided that this time we will put permanent barrier so that heavy vehicle with some height cannot enter.
So what is the alternative for heavy vehicles?
Like night super buses and
They will ply the same way they are plying now.
Same way, man, I not
Means
do
they
that.
will not enter.
They will not. They will enter the city, but they will not cross the bridge. Actually, see, as the construction work was going on, so the through which this water was taken out, this got blocked, so water could not go. Now we have removed all this blocked. Those seepage water now can easily pass through. Second thing is that we have gone for some more holes to carry bridge, which is around 64 lakhs.
So what is the lifespan of the bridge?
See, as we know, all of us, we know that lifespan of the bridge is almost expired. So with this thing, and if the load restriction is there, you can say that we have added another 2 decades into that. But then we should be very strict in that.
So again,
Restrict, we will relax little bit, but after the foolproof barrier is in place.
How long will it for this?
Within 1 week time.
So another thing,